So somebody installed it for you, you just get the plug and play.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got... Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What song do I play?
So what's your name and what's in here real quick?
Taylor. No.
You don't know what's in here?
I don't do it.
So somebody installed it for you, you just get the plug and play. You've got two, are these 15s?
Yes.
So you got two Sundown SA15s on a RP2K? Yes. Do you have any extra batteries?
Not yet.
Okay. Have you done any kind of wiring under the hood or just the standard stock? Okay. And is the box custom or prefab? Did somebody build it or did you just...
I just bought it.
Okay. Nice. And you got a capacitor, 2.5 capacitor for a farad capacitor. All right. You got a dual head unit. All right. Yeah, I'd love to get a demo. It looks good. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good, you're good.
You got your bass knob. There you go. LC1 bass knob too. Okay. Is there a way I can see the back? Just to see the box depth real quick? Sounds really good.
Thank you. You gotta get out of that Q-bomb.
Oh, it's a Q-bomb, so it was a prefab. Okay.
We're working on it.
Yes, sir.
We just bought it 2 days ago. So.
Okay. Nice. So this braced it down so it didn't move. That's a good idea.
Just because, you know, the subs are heavier than the box.
Yeah. And you inverted them to get a little bit more space. It's a good.
Yeah.
Thank y'all for the demo.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Looks good. Hey everybody, I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walkthrough. We got a Taylor system at the Savannah Seaport Showdown show. Be sure to give her a like and comment what you like about the system. Pretty impressive to see them fit a stock prefab 15-inch subwoofer system in the trunk, and of course it was an all-stock electrical system, and I don't know if they were expecting to be on YouTube, but they gave me a great demo, and shout out to her, did a good job. So this was a 2000 watt RMS amp. I'm pretty sure they had two dual 4s wired down to 1 ohm to get all the juice out of the amplifier from the RP2K, and you can notice there's just a small stock farad capacitor. I think it was a 2.5 for the actual electrical. There was no extra batteries, big 3 upgrade, stock electrical. So pretty much a full budget stock electrical system vehicle. You're going to see there wasn't really a lot of voltage that I could see during the demo, but there was some voltage drop I could tell. But it did get the job done. So these subs being inverted, smart idea if anybody's trying to get the most optimal output, and especially in a prefab box, 90% of the time inverting is going to be a little bit louder and play a little lower. And notice the way they braced it to the back of the trunk. That's actually a good idea because how heavy the motors of the SA Series 15s are. It pretty much is going to make that box lean forward if they didn't brace that box in. And I looked up online the specs of the SA V2 Series 15-inch subs. Looks like they're rated at around 1000 watts RMS with X Max, a little bit on the low end, but these are more budget friendly from Sundown, so it gets the job done. So a total of 2000 watts on this dual 15-inch subwoofer system. We're getting a demo of our system now. So if you haven't already, welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. Hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos I do every day, and follow me on my social media and enjoy the demo.
Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo. What was your name?
Taylor.
Taylor. Thank you, Taylor. You have a good day.